program of the president is going all out against drugs, and that's it. I will be all out also. Right here in Metro Manila, 92% of crime committed are all drug-related. So this is dangerous. Because without peace and order, we cannot move forward.
I'm Erwin Tulfo of TV5. I've said it before and I will say it again. He warned us during his campaign that it will be bloody. Yet 16 million Filipinos still voted for him. The president has a mission to rid drugs and corruption in the country within 6 months after assuming office. Ang problema, ilan sa atin ay hindi matanggap itong mga pagbabago na nangyayari ngayon. Pero may mandato ang Pangulo sa 16 na milyong kababayan natin na bumoto sa kanya na gawin ang kanyang trabaho. So why not let the man do his job?
I, Rodrigo Roa Duterte, do solemnly swear that I will faithfully and conscientiously fulfill my duties as President of the Philippines, preserve, defend the Constitution, execute the laws, do justice to every man, and consecrate myself to the service of the nation. So help me God. No leader, however strong, can succeed at anything of national importance or significance unless he has the support and cooperation of the people he is tasked to lead and sworn to serve. Ours is a problem that dampens the human spirit, but all is not lost. I know the limits of the power and authority of the president. I know what is legal and what is not. My adherence to due process and the rule of law is uncompromising. Malasakit, tunay na pagbabago, tinud-anay ang kausaban. These are battle cries articulated by me in behalf of a people hungry for genuine and meaningful change. But that change, if it is to be permanent and significant, must start with us and in us. We have become our own worst enemies, and we must have the courage and the will to change ourselves. Love of country, subordination of personal interests to the common good, concern and care for the helpless and the impoverished. These are among the lost and faded values that we seek to recover and revitalize as we commence our journey towards a better Philippines. Together, shoulder to shoulder, let us take the first wobbly steps in this quest. I was not elected to serve the interest of any person, any group, or any one class. I serve everyone and not only one. The test of government is not whether we add more to the abundance of those who have much. It is whether we provide for those who have little. I have no friends to serve. I have no enemies to harm. I now ask everyone, and I mean everyone, to join me as we embark on this crusade for a better and brighter tomorrow. I am ready to start my work for the nation.
In life, the significance of 50 is the completion of one stage. To some, it is the beginning of real happiness. At para sa ating Pangulong si President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, his first 50 days in office is a golden moment dahil wala siyang sinayang na precious days at lahat ng ginawa niya ay regalo sa ating lahat. Of course, we're happy to look back sa mabilis niyang aksyon to fulfill his promises.
Droga must stop. Criminality must stop. My God, I hate drugs.
Duterte has made it clear from the onset, he hates drugs, and he will stop at nothing to remove its clutches from the country. And he is doing just that. From the very first day of his term, the President warned the public in no uncertain terms about the drug menace.
He came upon names na kaibigan niya at saka tumulong talaga sa kanya. Sabi niya, napahinto siya. Alam niyo, ito, kilala ko talaga itong meaning. Kaibigan niya. He is the father of the nation. Well, he has to correct earring members of the family, members of the nation. At saka isa pa, hindi siya mamamatay tao. Hindi yung sinasabi niya na magpapatay ako ng 100,000, hindi yan. Just trying to impress a message ba sa mga tao na huwag kayong mag-indulge sa droga dahil talagang masama yan at saka ayaw ko niyan. I will do everything to eliminate itong drugs na ito. Pero hindi yung sinasabi na extrajudicial killings, hindi naman totoo yan. Kasi mabasa mo ngayon sa newspaper, he is also bothered.
That's the reason why General Ronald Bato de la Rosa was handpicked by the President to be a partner for change.
So I take this as a God-given mission to become President Duterte's right-hand man in his fight against drugs, criminality, and corruption in order to provide each and every Filipino a safe, secured, and comfortable life.
What ensued was a decisive move to what the President described as his firm resolve to destroy the apparatus of the drug menace.
Isang top drug personality po sa Central Visayan.
Ang isang big-time drug lord at shabu laboratory operator na si Meko Tana.
Isang notorious drug dealer na umano'y nagsusupply ng mga illegal na droga sa ilang showbiz at diplomatic personalities dito sa Metro Manila.
Nasagot na ang tanong natin. Tunay siyang matapat. He walks the talk. Kaya lang, ang nilalakaran niyang laban is too dangerous. At alam kong lahat tayo nag-aalala. But if we really want change, we have to make a choice.
The President of the Republic of the Philippines, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Ang unang State of the Nation address ng Pangulo ay nag-focus sa total inclusiveness.
We also endeavor to develop and corporate partnership with nations sharing common interests and concerns with the Philippines, maintain and sustain bilateral and multilateral consultations and dialogues. But you know, I said, I'll be talking in front of the Republic to its representatives, to the people. So I have to tell you, how do we solve this problem? Tell me. We are imbued with resiliency that has been tested and proven. More difficult times as in the past. We have a band to act together. We have to help each other, for then and only then can we truly prevail.
Sabi nila, media performs best when it performs its service to the public, di ba? So to be a partner for change, dapat ang media must continue to make our leaders accountable. At how do you do that? Siyempre, madali na ngayon ang fact-checking. And another one is to make sure that democracy and free expression are upheld. Another is to empower and engage the public sa mas marami pang mga public discussions para sa ganung paraan, lahat ng boses naririnig.